Melissa Mobility Forte. The Melissa Mobility Forte tricycle is great for any adventure seeker. Whether it be a scavenger hunt, a neighborhood tour, or a short trip just around the block, Melissa Mobility's Forte tricycle is the vehicle to bring you there. You can even take your pet for a walk with its front basket and oversized rear cargo. Its net weight is 90.2 pounds and can support a maximum load of 440 pounds, and is great for anyone on the heavier side. Melissa Mobility Forte has a body made of aluminum alloy. It is an electric tricycle with a comfortable seat with a backrest, so you can pedal as much as you want or press the thumb throttle and let the motor do 100% of the work for you without paying a hefty price. The Bafang 48-volt 750-watt front-drive spoke-wheel motor provides a maximum speed of 26 miles per hour. This trike ranges up to 50 miles with pedal assistance and 38 miles without the pedals. The 48-volt lithium-ion battery takes just 5 to 7 hours to charge the battery. The tires are 20 by 4 inches and made of rubber, so you can ride on all terrain and grip the road better. The shaft drive system has a Shimano 7-speed gear, allowing you to go faster and up to any hill with ease. The suspension front fork and lockable front wheel give a smooth ride over rough terrain and bumpy surfaces. With a Melissa Trike bike, you can enjoy a healthy and active lifestyle and get to where you want to go. 3-Score Electric Fat Trike. The 3-Score is a new take on the traditional 3-wheel fat tire electric trike that is fun and exciting to ride. It can change how people move, and for some, it opens up a completely new world of mobility. It is designed for adults to get around town fast and have fun. The plush seat is ergonomically designed to ensure maximum comfort, while the aluminum alloy frame makes it extremely durable, even in the harshest environments. With an impressive 750-watt geared hub motor, you're in a position to climb hills and ride farther. The 48-volt lithium-ion battery offers a range of up to 45+ miles depending on terrain and weight of the rider, and a top speed of 30 miles per hour. The extra 20 by 4.0 inches fat tires make riding over rough terrain, bumpy streets, or grass more comfortable, while the disc brakes offer more control. This trike features disc brakes for increased power, a Shimano 7-speed gearbox for smooth shifting, and a dual suspension for better shock absorption for a smooth ride on bumpy roads. Moreover, it's built with a high-contrast 3.5-inch IPS colorful matrix display, a USB port for charging on the go, and a horn to alert others who may be in the way. It is combined with the oversized rear basket, and the front basket allows you to carry any load without compromising your comfort or visibility. The full range of 3-Score accessories makes this trike truly stand out. It has fenders, cargo baskets, racks, lights, bottle holders, phone holders, and more. If you have been looking for a top-of-the-line fat trike with the most impressive features, the 3-Score Electric Fat Trike is the best choice. DW Meigi MG 1703. The Meigi MG 1703 is a step-through 58L 3-wheel electric bike. Meigi is a leader in electric bikes, with a long history of satisfied customers and a strong reputation in the market. The MG 1703 is equipped with a sturdy and durable step-through steel frame and a maximum load capacity of 330 pounds. This 3-wheel electric tricycle is one of the most stable rides. It has an advanced 48-volt 750-watt motor that can take this electric bike to a maximum speed of about 20 miles per hour and provide a maximum torque of 80 Newton meters. The 48-volt lithium-ion battery is convenient, is easily removable, and charges fully in only 4 to 5 hours with a 48-volt 3-ampere supercharger. It'll let you go up to 45 miles on a single charge and has a range of over 60 miles. Its high-contrast LCD allows you to track your current speed, miles traveled, and battery charge with a USB port so that riders can listen to music or use it to charge a smartphone as they ride. The 7-speed shifters are integrated into the brake lever, so you can change gears without letting go of the handlebars. It comes with a 20-inch by 4-inch front tire. A 20-inch by 4-inch rear tires are large enough to handle any road conditions for a comfortable ride. The adjustable seat and suspension fork can help make your ride more comfortable. The full-size storage basket conveniently holds 2 grocery bags worth of goods for your daily shopping errands. With the large 58L storage space and an included waterproof bag, this electric trike is guaranteed to be your perfect companion. The Meigi MG1703 is built with sturdy, durable materials and is backed by a 1-year comprehensive warranty. Evolo Compass. The Evolo Compass is the latest addition to the Evolo line of electric tricycles and is by far their most popular model. The unique features of the Compass are a simple, sleek, and, most importantly, functional design. A sturdy, comfortable aluminum alloy frame with a step-through design makes riding allows the rider to get in and out of the seat comfortably. The powerful rear rack allows you to carry everything from groceries to your surfboard, and two-wheel drive helps improve traction. The Compass is built for navigating every road or trail. The drivetrain is a high-performance mid-drive system, allowing you to cover more distance than ever. This powerful 500-watt mid-drive motor will get you to your destination and provide a maximum speed of 20 miles per hour. The high-torque Panasonic lithium-ion 48-volt battery with advanced battery management software allows you to explore longer distances. The larger battery pack can cover up to 40 miles on pedal assist mode and 80 miles with battery add-on. The 24-inch by 2.4-inch CST Cyclops tires will give you ample traction to ride over any terrain. It features all-weather front and rear fenders to help protect you from water and dirt. The Compass's front and rear lights indicate when the bike is powered on, making you visible to other road and trail users. The Evolo Compass features a Shimano grip shifter, offering 3 gears to choose from, and a front disc brake provides great stopping power. Whether you're commuting to work or simply going for a leisurely ride around the park, the Evolo Compass is a great way to get you where you need to go. Emojo Caddy Pro. The Emojo Caddy Pro is a convenient and practical electric trike for those wanting to get around town. It is perfect for a quick trip to the grocery store or around town. The Caddy can handle up to 15 pounds of the payload cargo capacity of groceries and is made of sturdy chromoly alloy steel to ensure strength and durability. It is also equipped with a sturdy rear basket to carry all of your items, whether going to the grocery store or commuting to work. The Emojo Caddy Pro is a performance bike with fat tires that can carry up to 300 pounds. With its high quality and powerful motor, the Caddy Pro is a versatile and multi-purpose tool to get things done around your home. It comes with a powerful 500-watt brushless motor and provides a top speed of 20 miles per hour. A thumb throttle provides you with all the power you need to take your riding to the next level. The Emojo Caddy Pro has a 48-volt battery that can go up to 30 miles on a single charge. You won't have to sweat going up a hill, get soaked in the rain, or go for a long ride again. The 4-inch wide tires allow you to ride confidently in any terrain and take pride in its superior disc hydraulic brakes. It even displays automatic braking lights on when you brake and a 7-speed shifter to get you in the optimal speed zone. The front suspension also smooths your ride by absorbing energy, making your ride more enjoyable. The unique LCD lets you know how much battery life is left and shows you how many calories you've burned. Overall, the Emojo Caddy Pro is the perfect vehicle for getting around town and going to the grocery store or local farmer's market. When we looked at the electric tricycle in 2022, we looked at many different things, such as the design, the features, the price, and how well they perform.